Alright, so for doing a triangle inscribed in a circle, does that mean I'm going to put the triangle in the circle or out of the circle?
In the circle.
In the circle. So to do that, Alex shows you one way to do it, and it's not wrong, but it has like 2 extra steps that you don't really need. So I'm going to show you the way I do it. Sound good?
Yeah.
Do we see center?
Yes.
Okay, now it's up to you. If you want, you can draw yourself a diameter. So again, it can be any direction. I don't care as long as it's through the center from one part of the circle to the other. Wherever you want. Piper. Okay. So again, I don't really care. It just has to go through the center. Okay. Now, this is called a what?
Diameter.
Okay. If I wanted a radius, what would I do? Half that. Okay. So you need to take your compass and make it half a radius size. So set it up so that it's set to be the radius size. That's the important part. So like there. Okay. So my point is on the center. It's actually a little past it, but okay. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna pick somewhere on your circle. I don't care where. Okay, I'm just gonna use the edge of my diameter because that makes my brain feel better. Okay, you're gonna put pointy part there, and you're just gonna draw arcs. You're gonna draw an arc there and go there, and do not change it. It should always stay the radius size. And you're gonna go all the way around your circle until you're back to where you started.
I think I did this on ours.
You should have.
I never did.
And you're gonna keep going all the way around. Logan?
Wait, can one of the arcs like touch the diameter, or is that not supposed to happen?
Yep. Wherever you feel like on your circle.
So we can put like the pointy part on the edge.
Yep. And then make it a radius all the way around. So I ended up with 6 little arc marks. You should too.
Like, so we put, and then after we put the
1, 2, 3.
part on the arc.
Oh, what happened?
So once you have all of your 6 little arcs, you're gonna go to every other one. So pick which one you want to start at. That's gonna be the first corner of your triangle. So if you want to start here, then you'll skip that one and go to that one. And then skip that one, go to that one. That was gonna be your triangle. Or you can do the other 3. Okay? And you're gonna draw lines connecting where those touch. So I'm gonna do these 3. So again, skip that one, go to this one. Skip that one, go to that one. And those are the corners of your triangle. Wow.
It's actually like really easy.
And remember, you don't actually have to draw this on your EOC, you just have to tell me how to do it.
What would be like an
Ta-da! Triangle inside circle. So if you want to try it on the second one, you can try it on the second one for how to draw that. If you want to try it again. Say absolutely not. That's okay. Alright, so take paper, turn over. Now we're going to inscribe a circle of a triangle. So am I going to put the circle on the inside of the triangle or the outside?
Let's take a guess.
Inside, because I'm going to inscribe it in the triangle. Okay? So, just to preface this is the one that's on your test tomorrow. Okay? This is the one. Yes. Because remember, Miss Howell's not going to be here tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday. So you guys are doing your modules 10 and 11 tests. So,
You're going to sacrifice.
there you go. This is literally, this is number 9.
You remember?
I think. I looked it up last month.
Oh.
But this is number 9 on your test, okay? You have to do this. And when I say do this, I mean you have to tell me the correct order of the steps of what to do.
Would it be like an proof, or would it just be like?
It's a list of steps
list?
that are in the wrong order, and you have to drag and drop them into the right order.
Oh, okay.
That's what you have to do, okay? So, we're gonna go over how to do this. So, do you remember how we practiced angle bisectors?
Yeah.
Okay, do that.
What?
Pick 2 of the angles and draw 2 angle bisectors. I don't care which 2, but pick 2.
It doesn't matter. Okay.
Nope, pick 2.
What?
Pick 2 angles and do angle bisectors. That's step 1.
Can you plot the ones that we want to use? Or
Wait, for
Can I
angle
block ones I wanna
bisectors,
use?
when we draw the first arc, like across both, we keep the same compass settings.
No, you don't have to.
Let me see. Okay.
So I am gonna make my angle bisectors. The line needs to go almost like outside, or no, it needs to go like outside of your triangle, like this. Otherwise you're gonna have a lot of arc marks inside your triangle and it's gonna get confuzzling.
Oh, so you want to make it like extra big?
Yeah, so I did mine extra.
I don't think I can do that.
I use the exact same compass and exact same paper as you.
Oh.
You should be able to.
Okay. Never mind, I didn't realize maybe I can make my compass. Apologies, Miss Ellen. Hush now.
Alright.
Wait, do we do that from the air flat or that? Or wait, no.
Doesn't matter which one. Just pick 2 of the angles. I'm just gonna do these 2, but this way it's easier for you guys to see.
No, I can do it.
You got it right so far. Keep going.
No, but I don't know like where to put this. Like, how do I know like how far?
to go here and here. I made mine go outside. Yeah, so like this is fine. Here. I'm just trying to I just don't want those in this row, or in the triangle. I mean.
Okay.
That's all that I'm trying to do. Is not put. Now do the same thing on the other one. Oops, pointing apart over here. Duh. Get it
And
together,
same thing on
Miss
the other
Terrible. Yep. So do it for both of your angles, just like this.
Okay. Would that be bad if I didn't do that? Would that be bad if I just didn't do that theoretically?
Probably.
My binder is so big. Can it move? No. I think that's some floor.
So you should have something like that so far. Kind of.
I have no.
Do your lines intersect in your triangle like Miss Howells does?
Yes.
If they don't intersect, we messed up somewhere. You should have lines big enough that they intersect. Because guess what this is?
The center.
That's your center of your circle. Yay! That was the point of that. So that's step 2. So first we had to do our angle bisectors. Step 2, we had to find our center. Okay? You got yours? Yours good? Okay, good. I'm just looking at papers to make sure that everybody's got the same things. And that we're okay.
My bends. My straight edge bends.
Cleo. Chew. Alright.
Maybe I shouldn't drink that.
Anybody need assistance? There's no. Okay, so step number 3 after this is you're going to do a perpendicular bisector.
I don't actually think you should.
Yes, you do. It's right here. So that perpendicular bisector we did at the beginning of class, we're going to do that again. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick a side of your triangle. I'm going to pick this bottom side because that's just the easiest for y'all to look at. So I'm using this bottom side. I'm going to do a perpendicular bisector. Now, here's my question. Are your 2 corners of your triangle in this point is like this equal to this?
Yeah.
No.
it's not.
No.
It's like,
This is shifted over,
yeah, that's
right?
true.
That's not in the middle, is it?
No.
Okay, so because of that, we are going to draw an arc. We're going to go from our center. We're going to draw an arc that goes through that bottom side of our triangle. And those are the 2 points we're going to use here and here to do our bisector. Nope, doesn't matter. I just made it so that it's a little arc like that. Yep.
Okay.
And then now we have our 2 points that we can do a perpendicular bisector from. So we're going to do that.
Okay.
your bisector should cross through with your center. Okay? And guess what this makes?
I think mine might be a little bit small.
That makes your radius. Yay.
Okay.
Hang on.
Mine is too small.
And once you have your radius, then you can make your circle. Okay, so I'm gonna pause this here. All right, so let's draw our circle. Again, for drawing your circle, pointy part should be in your center, and you should be opening this up to whatever you got for your radius. Oh, I need to adjust my compass because it's not right. And once you have that, you should be able to draw your circle. Again, it should stay mostly inside of your triangle. Mostly. So if it goes a little bit outside, man, Miss Howells is really bad this class. That's a smidge better. So again, Miss Howells is mostly inside. I would probably redo this one just because it's not touching this third side. For some reason, I did a lot better in mod. I did a lot better in mod 2 or 3. But you're opening your compass from your center to your radius, and then you draw your circle around. That's all. Okay? So these are your steps. This is what we're looking for. That's the goal for today. This is, again, on your test. It's number 9. You have to tell me these steps. Okay? Now, they broke these steps down just a smidge more with labeling everything, but it's the same general concept. Okay? All right, you have the homework. You're working on the homework. You have almost 20 minutes. Actually, a little over 20 minutes. Yeah. So have fun.